Today we're at the 2016 Earth Day Expo at Market Square in downtown St. Catharines.
So everybody is doing something for the environment. So we wanted to get together and put this event together, and that way everybody can be part of the Earth Day celebration.
How successful do you think you've been with this activity today?
Oh, it was amazing. We had a good turnout. We were not expecting that many schools coming. We had 10 schools participating today, around 400 students to participate in the 6 different workshops.
And to make sure that
Mayor Walter Stanczyk was in attendance today. He says kids are key to moving the Earth Day message forward.
When we're able to reach younger kids, when we're able to teach them how important it is to have a lighter footprint in what we do, they're the ones that, as they get older, they're the ones who already believe in it. They're the ones who have already been taught that we can't just waste things. We have to recycle. We have to conserve energy. And when my 10-year-old son is turning off the lights in the house, that means that they're learning from Earth Hour. They're learning from those. So I think it's critical that we get to the younger generation so that the footprint that they walk with will be even lighter than our footprint.
The students were challenged to learn one thing and put it into practice. Let's see if they were listening. What did you learn today?
Saving energy.
Saving energy? Is that what you're going to do to help the environment?
Yeah.
What else could you do to help the environment?
To ride my bike.
Instead of what?
Driving the car.
How can you help the environment?
Stop polluting our water.
What else did you learn today?
About composting.
Did you learn anything about recycling?
I learned like a lot of things, like one of them, what to put in what bin, because I wasn't like, I know it sounds silly, but I wasn't really sure what to put in what. So, but now by learning all of this, I know what goes in what bin and stuff like that.
If you were to take one thing from this day, what would you take from this?
To try to save as much electricity as you can.
Several vendors were in attendance today spreading environmental messages.
Well, we're here today to teach young people how to conserve energy and be more energy efficient.
And what did you do to make sure that happened?
We had a few activities that we led the kids through, having them identify ways that they use electricity in their homes, identifying peak hours for electricity use, and then ways that they can conserve energy during those peak hours.
Today we want to talk to the kids about the importance of the environment. Specifically, we're talking about drinking water, how it's safe for them to drink, and if they can, to cut down on the amount of bottled water they drink, because a lot of the bottles end up in landfills and don't get recycled. So if you're going to use a bottle of water, please recycle it, and if you can, please drink tap water.
There was 2 kids in the class that knew exactly what a living wall was, and one of their grandparents has one, right? And he asked them, okay, well, what's the benefits of growing your own food? And I've got the answers in my head of what I think they are. And they come up with all sorts of things that, that we might not think of.
Important lessons were learned by hundreds today. Thank you to Links for Greener Learning for encouraging methods for a sustainable future. Reporting for The Source, I'm Giles.